In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section, which is Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Before we do anything, quick disclaimer. You absolutely need to have screen lock to continue, because without it you won't be able to add face data. So tap on face unlock here only if you have screen lock on. Enter your screen lock and tap on start. Now wait 5 seconds to choose next in attention pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then name your face data however you want to and choose OK. Select Done. Manage all of those options however you want, but make sure this switcher is blue, the one next to using Unlock using face data. Without this feature enabled, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. When you finished, you can go back. And now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!